In this video, I want to show you how to search for anything that appears on your screen even when you don't know its name. Let's say, for example, you want to search for these glasses that this person here is wearing. So you can just tap and circle around what you want to search, and it will tell you this image shows eyeglasses with a frame similar to Emporio Armani, and it gives you the reference or model of the product, and you can now just go and search for that name specifically. Let's give you another example. Imagine you see someone using an app on his phone and you don't know what the name of the app is. You can anyway go and search for what you are seeing, and it tells you what that person is using or what the name of the application is. In this case, this person is using CapCut and actually is using the feature of keyframes, and even it brings you the link to that video and links to other videos that show the same thing that you saw on that image. This works for many things, even when you just want to search for the let's say someone is wearing something and you want to search for it, you can do the same. See, this image shows a white baseball cap, a classic apparel accessory designed for sun protection. In this case, it's something more general, but you can go and search for something more specific. Let's say you see this and you don't know the name of these characters, for example. You can just go and search like this, and it tells you who this is and where you can find more of that. See, you don't even need to know the name of what you are searching. You just go and search. This is a very useful feature, you see. So now how to use that feature on your device. So using an Android phone, you go to settings, then you navigate until you find system, and then you go to system navigation. For me, it appears up here, but if you are using another model or another device, you can find it maybe somewhere else, but you go and try to find for system navigation. When you get into system navigation, you have to make sure that circle to search is turned on. The feature we are going to use for this is called circle to search. So if you find it like this, you just turn it on, and it already tells you how to use this feature. You have to long press the navigation button, this button down here, and then you circle, tap or swipe to quickly search for the selected content. So you just do that to search for anything that appears on your screen, and then you just go and, for example, let's say I want to know the name of this bird that is here on my screen. So I just tap here and then circle around it, and then it tells you what animal is this. You see, you can even use that to search for, let's say you have some text on your screen. Okay, let's go open some browser. Okay, let's say for example I open website, you can use it to search for something that is here, then again translate it for another language, for example, and I can do this quickly, you see. So let's say, for example, you open another website that is on a foreign language and you want to translate to your own. So you can just access that website and then just go to a certain part of it and circle to search what you want to search and translate that specific text. You can copy. If you want, you can just come here and copy the text. You can automatically translate, or you can just go and read further about that specific topic. So this is how useful this tool is, or this feature is, for Android devices.